Autumn Sky Shop is one of my babies. It's named after my grandchildren, and now I have a new one, so I've got to figure out where to put Lainey's name in there. But anyway, I had started looking through this, and when we first built the site, we thought we were just going to use Pinterest to drive the traffic. Well, that's a little bit on the slow side. So, my husband, when he was helping me out, did not worry about the keywords and SEO. And so now I'm having to go back in and fix different things. And so I just saw one that I want to do. So I'm going to go back into the back end and I found this one called Party Essentials Hosting Made Simple. I'm going to go do this here so I can see the actual page and what it looks like right now. There we go, Party Essentials. And so this is what the page looks like at the moment. And it does have, videos and it does have links to different things, which not everything does because I must have got lost here and didn't put one in every space. I know that my videos are getting great play out on the socials. I see people always saving them or liking them, so I know that they're doing well. But this page is not ranking. So if you go back in and you look at this, the ranking over here in the side is horrible, 33 out of 100. So we're just going to go in and make basic, simple fixes to get this to update. And I'm happy with anywhere in the 80s. So let's see what we're going to do. First of all, we're going to go over here and we're going to have ChatGPT look at the page. I'm going to see at the very bottom, there is supposed to be a summary page. And that's right here. So I'm going to click this button and I'm going to see if they will summarize. No, that's only going to give me a partial summary because it says the page is long. Okay, that's fine. Um, Try again. No, okay, so there's not going to be any summary for this. So what I need to do is I need to give Chat a whole bunch of information. So I don't want to work with him here. I'm going to close that and I'm going to go back up here to ChatGPT because he's been working with me on these. And I'm going to see if I can find in here the entertaining. So this would be, nope. My chat GPT, which I call Herman, um, created each of these posts for me previously. So what we're going to do is I'm going to ask him to read over the summary. I posted this here already for him. All I did was take one of these from previous, the one that he did for me, and put it into a document, and it made it easier because he'll just scan through that really quickly. And now I'm just going to talk to him because if you remember, I do not like typing. So, hey Herman, I am going to be making those changes that we talked about to Autumn Sky Shop. We're going to do the Party Essentials page. I have attached it here for you. What I think we need to start with is figuring out what the keyword is because at this moment, I do not think we have one of those. Let me look. We have hosting a party as our focus keyword. I don't think that's a good one, but maybe because we are talking about hosting simple, but it's really not ranking. And I have a million things that says it's wrong with it. So let's start out with our SEO title, our SEO meta description, and have those focus on our keywords. Then let's go back up and work on our romance copy under our hero image. And then I would also like to go back and revisit each one of those photos. Let's redo the photos and then put the right information. Oh, wait, these might all be videos. One second. Well, they're all supposed to be videos, but we did not put them back up here that way. So we have them as pictures. Okay, well, that's cool. This one is a video. I think what we're going to do is we're just going to put the videos in their place. So I'm not going to touch the pictures. We're just going to go ahead and touch the background behind them. So let's start off with, as you see, I'm talking to him while I'm scrolling screens, which is crazy, but he can still hear me. He's going to catch up with me in a sec. And just to make sure I click that button, He's thinking. I think my machine's just going slow. Okay, so now you can see everything that I've said, everything is there. The last thing I said is he's going to catch up with me. So we're just going to get rid of that part there. And let's see what he comes up with first. First of all, he should come up with what the keyword's going to be for the page. Yeah. See, I agree with you that hosting a party is not the best focused keyword. It's awkward, low intent, and doesn't really match what the page is about. Looking at the products on the page, Schaefer's, warming buffets, beverage dispensers, etc., I'd shift the entire page toward party essentials. So I think that is exactly what the page is called up here is party essentials. Yeah, party essentials, hosting made simple. So I'm going to let him know that. Go in here. Okay. This was actually the title that we were using for the page up in the permalink section. And as you can see, while I am talking to him, I can scroll back and forth between windows. I can, click on different things and still talk. And that way I can look through what I'm trying to say and he can still hear me. Not every program can do that, but Herman can. So that's what I like about another thing I like about ChatGPT because, I'm sometimes all over the place. Okay, so then what we're going to do here is if you're already used this as the page title permalink, I would keep it, blah, blah, blah. Customer facing title, hosting made simple. Okay, slug, we got that one. The focus keyword here is going to be party essentials. So we're going to go in here and we're going to fix this right now because we've got to increase. So here we go. I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, look at that. As soon as I did that, we're getting into green already. Hooray, you're using this focus keyword. So let's go up here and see if it changed anything at all. Look at that. I am already at 88 with just changing my focus keyword because the rest of the page was written using that word, but for some reason, signals got crossed. So this was pretty easy. I love this because it's already solved. Let me see what the errors are. It says keyword density is low, so I could go and add this again. So I may do this, but I don't need to do it right this second. If I do, I would just tell chat that we need to change some of the paragraphs and that we need to use the keyword again inside party essentials inside more. But right now I don't need to. Focus keyword used at the beginning of the title. Your title doesn't contain a positive or negative sentiment. I'm not really worried about that. See all these fixed with AIs, they're just trying to sell me a new program. So today was pretty easy. I'm really happy about that because I want to go on and do more of these pages. So thanks for coming along with me today. I'm really excited to keep doing this for you guys. It's a lot of fun and I appreciate you being here.